Come get ready with me for a simple summer routine using the MD Solar Sciences sunscreen. I am so obsessed with this product. The MD Solar Sciences Mineral Tinted Cream is SPF 30, so it's literally a foundation and sunscreen. There's 3 shades. It's very universal. I got medium. It's dermatologist scientifically and tested. It's oxybenzo free. It's clinically proven hypoallergenic. It's cruelty and vegan free. It has cranberry, green tea, pomegranate, and vitamin C. I love MD Solar Sciences makeup and their skincare is so good. Skincare definitely comes first when you are putting on makeup. I think having a nice natural base is so important. This has antioxidants and vitamin C that improve your skin over time. Even though I am a little bit pale from the winter, my skin looks so much more healthier. I get really shiny throughout the day. This dries down matte. Because of the silky, luxurious, creamy texture, it was able to blend so seamlessly, effortlessly, and flawlessly into my skin. It literally looks like I have a filter on my face right now because of the antioxidants, vitamin C, all these serums. Get ready for a great base of makeup because of the smooth finish. Literally look how easy this is to transition onto blush. It's just so smooth and it just gives the most natural looking, refreshing glow. I really truly commend MD Solar Sciences because it's not easy making a sunscreen that works for all skin types, including acne prone, rosacea prone, sensitive skin, fragrance free, a foundation, a sunscreen, and can be used under a foundation. I mean, what more can you expect? Not to mention how extremely lightweight this sunscreen is. I don't know about y'all, but I am definitely gonna be hitting the pool and beaches this summer. With MD Solar Sciences, I can do that. I just reapply every 80 minutes. You apply and you are all good. I'm going to be having a hot girl summer out here, and this is what I'm going to be using it with. This all-in-one foundation, sunscreen, skin tint, and vitamin C, green tea, cranberry, all-in-one beneficial skin tint is going to do you wonders and prevent sunburns. This is what's going to make your skin thank you and benefit your skin over time and feel more nourished. Go take a dip in the pool and get yourself MD Solar Sciences sunscreen and skin tint. I'm going to have it linked down below and in my showcase. So if you are trying to get a hot girl summer, go get this and thank me later with no burns.